welcome to Cebu Design Week 2019. This week we celebrate and promote the creative sectors of Cebu. Clearly, the creative industries are important for the manufacturing sector and for the overall economy of Cebu. The creative industries inspire us to be better.
The more important thing to remember is that the process of design. Whatever happens outside of that process, discipline, process, and thinking is design. It's not the end. It's because of these things that create great design.
Design is no different from, it's a discipline, no different from any sport. The more you practice, the better you train, the better you're at it. When you turn an idea into reality, into something that's tangible. So it's very important. Discipline is very important.
Why design for green? It is the right thing to do. It is the most relevant thing to address climate change. People will understand and people will know that the thing that we do is the thing that will benefit our future.
As a designer, as a creative person, your mind is always working, it's always functioning, right? It's not always that you make a design, but your mind never ceases to think, and you find beautiful things everywhere you go. And so I learned that whatever I make can make people smile.
To understand the evolution of advertising and marketing. We need to understand the shift of attention in order for you to create content or materials that would help you introduce or market your brands wherever you are.
Everything that we do, me and my fellow furniture designers and manufacturers, is a celebration of craft. It's keeping Cebuano craft alive. Everything that we do is really a testament to Cebuano craftsmanship.
If you do what you love, you'll never ever work a day in your life. Study more. Learn more. Experience is the best teacher. Textbooks get dated. Experience gets down into your DNA and it becomes you.